today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Shamir from NINETRON Tech. He is the CEO. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo 2026. Hello. Glad to have you here, sir. Let's not take much of your time. Let's begin with the first question. Could you please introduce yourself or tell our audience about your company?
Yeah, my name is Abdul Shamil. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of NINETRON Tech. NINETRON Tech is a 4-year-old company. We deal with two segment of drones. One is survey and mapping services. One more is sourcing and procurement for the manufacturers and the R&D individuals. We will help with the sourcing and procurement of their required product customized from all around the world with customization and OEM support.
Okay, sir. So, sir, what product and solution you are showcasing at Drone Expo today?
As I told, we have two kind of services, ma'am. One is a survey and mapping. Another one is a procurement and sourcing. So, survey and mapping, we do different kind of drone surveys and mapping surveillance like RGB, so thermal, solar inspection, infrastructure inspection, sourcing, surveillance and mining, all these kind of. In sourcing and procurement, when it comes to a R&D person or the manufacturer of UAV or any kind of drones, their main requirement is the products. They need from small screw to a main controller. They need all the products. So we will help them to source it and procure it. So according to their requirement, their brand, their customization.
Yeah. That's wonderful, sir. So, sir, in your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
See, ma'am, now there are multiple e-commerce websites or companies selling drone products and drones. But the main thing is what these R&D and manufacturers looking at it when it comes to a prototyping is after sales integration support or customization according to their design.
Yes.
See, the standard available product, they can't use all the products because everyone's design is unique in their own way with their own innovations. So we play major role there as a procurement partner.
That's wonderful. So, sir, do you have any message you would like to convey to the potential customers, visitors, and individuals exploring your booth?
Yeah, this thing is like you can try with us when it comes to a prototype development. We are not asking for your bulk order or anything. When you are at the stage of R&D and prototype, our team will help you to source or procure the product they need or the alternative what they are looking for, which they are not able to find or difficult to procure. Then we will help you to help you in developing prototypes, so you can you can experience our services. And later, when it comes to bulk, we will provide another kind of service where mass procurement or sourcing. Yeah,
that's a good message, sir. At last, I hope you had a great experience at Expo 2026 in Bangaluru.
Yes, ma'am.
In September, we are bringing it again New Delhi. So would you like to participate again?
Yeah, we are looking forward to it, ma'am. We usually participate in a Drone Expo in North and South. So last year also, Drone Expo Delhi we had participated, which was in Pragati Maidan, I guess. Yeah.
This year we are having it in Yeshobhumi.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. We are looking forward to it.
Looking forward to meet you there.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.